Consequences, New Mexico. Notice Scott Sullivan, I don't know which car he's in. I hadn't heard of what recovery he made. Do you know anything about that?
I do not know what kind of car that is, but it looks slick. Let me tell you, that is a very unique looking race car right there.
Sullivan sliding up, pushing up in the new car in the 20S there out of turn 1.